didn't see our night like calling customer service. Is it the prettiest thing in the world? No. Is it functional? We don't know yet. Guys, look what Jack got. But in the meantime, a quick update on Hippo.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind?
Oh, hello friends. I found myself at Best Buy because when we went to vacuum last night, and by we I mean Jack, he pressed the button and nothing happened. And we were like, oh my gosh, what if this whole time it was this outlet in the wall that is like broken, and that's why our other vacuum like wouldn't work properly or whatever. We switched a couple outlets and the same thing was happening, and it would only turn on when we engaged the vacuum, like when we like pulled it back to start vacuuming, but then the sound was so horrid. So you can imagine after being so excited about opening our first ever Dyson that we ever purchased for ourselves, full size, and it not working or making that terrible sound, we were a little frustrated. We didn't see our night like calling customer service or anything like that, but Jack called customer service and basically he confirmed that sound was abnormal. No, the vacuum is not supposed to only turn on or start working when it's engaged. So it came defective. There wasn't much he could do since we didn't purchase it through Dyson. He could bring us through like a diagnostic test, but we confirmed that it wasn't working the same that it was supposed to, so we got everything we needed. Luckily, Best Buy has an amazing return policy anyway. I'm at Best Buy. I've got the vacuum and I'm gonna go in, and on the app that Jack purchased through, he reported it defective, and so all I have to do is go in there and I have like the order information and stuff on my phone and do a little switcheroo. And then after, I need some more face serum. I use the face serum from The Ordinary. I use the niacinamide zinc and I really like it. I don't know, my personality, I'm always looking to switch it up just once in a while. Although I like it, I'm like, is there something that's better? Also, I feel like my skin as well as my hair in general get very used to products if I use them for so long, so kind of switching it up always like keeps things fresh, keeps things more like responsive to the ingredients that I use. So if you have a favorite serum, leave it in the comments below that you use. I have oily skin, so if that is something that you guys know about, or if you have oily skin, let me know. But since I just ran out and I haven't done my research to like go pick up a new one, like a different one, I don't feel confident just like picking one off the shelf, so I'm gonna repurchase The Ordinary one that I always get. And then we are actually going up to my dad's house because he's alone this week. My mom is like driving back and forth from Nashville to see my brother and his new fiance. I can finally say that, in Nashville. She made a road trip this week and Dad was alone all week. I know that he's lonely. Last night he messaged, he goes, I have a great idea. What if you guys come up and then when Mom gets home on Friday, you guys can surprise her? And I'm like, yeah, it's all about Mom for sure. So the only like main inconvenience and something that does like rack up really easily is the cat sitter bill. She's like $25 per visit, but you can imagine if we're not here like in the evening, that's $25, then 2 times a day day for feedings, that's another $50. Like, you can see how it can rack up really easily. So he did offer to pay for the cat sitter if we came to keep him company, and surprise mom, the main event, surprise mom the next day. So that's really nice, but I do have to get money out for the cat sitter. Then I had one other thing. Oh, I want to go to Michael's to get a poster board. I measured the doorway space above the 2 gates that we have, space that Miss Allie jumps over, and so while we're gone, just in case, she doesn't usually jump over from the front to the back if no one's in the back side of the apartment at all, but just in case, since we are reintroducing them, I'm gonna get like a poster board just to block her from going on either side of the apartment while we're gone. So that's the sitch. Let's get these errands done. Is it the prettiest thing in the world? No, not at all. However, is it functional? We don't know yet at all. I have secured this thing so much that it's like secured down here, it's secured down here, it's secured up behind there. Like, she has to be able to like scale this, hold herself up, and then like claw at this in order to get through. So let's test it out. We'll keep you guys updated. But in the meantime, a quick update on Hippo. You can see she is now successfully sitting, which is a huge milestone. She's been sitting for the last like day to 2 days consistently. So we know that the pain is like subsiding. And look at how bendy she is and how she cleans herself. So good, baby. Still keeping an eye out on the tail, but we're seeing progress every single day.
Oh wow, you went ham. Did she try climbing it already?
Oh, hi, Bub.
You try climbing this?
Yeah, you have to push
Out.
out. Yeah, don't push in. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's only a slight bit more duck than the last one, but yeah, she tried climbing it. I didn't get it on camera, but she fell immediately.
Oh, let's see what she does.
All right.
Oh, it doesn't work anymore. The only question is, will it hold? Here. Splat.
Are you upset? Can you figure it out? Can't wait to review that footage of what it looks like. How did you know that she already tried? Were there claw marks?
Yeah, just hold.
Well, I didn't take it out of its package because there's 2 in there. So I figured it was stronger with 2 held together still.
Oh, there's 2 in there.
Yeah, there's 2 poster boards in here.
Yeah, good call.
It was $18 for 2 poster boards. Highway robbery. Miss Allie, you're so silly. Guys, look what Jack got.
I love Chubbies so much.
He has 2 shorts that you guys saw with these. One has the dogs on them. The other one has like neon tacos and like almost like Malibu type of signs.
They're even more beautiful in person.
Guys, he got Christmas ones.
Neon Christmas. with flamingo Santa hats.
Neon Christmas flamingos.
Oh, the colors are awesome.
Neon Christmas palm trees with baubles
Oh my
on
gosh,
them.
they're like the thermal ones too. They're different. Look.
Yeah, they didn't have regular ones. I thought you saw that.
Oh, I didn't.
Is
I
that
didn't even
okay?
know. Yeah, this is totally fine.
They didn't have regular sweat shorts
They're like pajamas.
like that. Well, all of them are like pajamas, darling.
No, but these are like the thermal.
Are you excited?
I'm so
Is the material okay?
The material is totally
Okay.
Am
Wow.
I good at?
Yeah, looks bomb, bub.
Oh,
Looks
these
great.
are sick. I'm so excited to wear these. I got my
And
Christmas
candy
jammies.
canes out of the sea.
Look at the pineapples and trees. They've got
Pineapples with the
lights and bulbs.
baubles and snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
It's pretty awesome.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any